You'll see the difference now. If we change it, you'll know how. Nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it change, let it change. Hey, let it change, let it change. Hey, let it change, let it change.
Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another video. Today I am reviewing Yolissa Hair. I'm going to show you guys what the hair looks like straight out of the package, but first I'm going to tell you guys what I have in my package. So first, a wig cap. I already placed one on, some lashes, a pretty silk scarf, and I also got a brush for my baby hairs, and of course the Yolissa bag. I throw my boxes away, so this is helpful to store my hair in. And I also received like this elastic band to lay down my lace with. Here's the hair straight out of the package, y'all. Really pretty right out of the package, super soft, so I was very happy with what I saw straight out. This is the lace. It is 13 by 4 or 13 by 6 HD lace. It is pre-plucked with baby hairs. You do get combs on the side of this wig and the back of the unit with the adjustable straps, which I always use. So I took this Ghost Bond glue, y'all, that I really hate because it breaks out my skin, but I wanted something that was going to hold, and I didn't have anything else, so this is what we're using. So I applied this all over, and then I went ahead and put some foundation in my lace, which you guys are going to see here. And one thing that I do is I take my napkin and place a little bit on the napkin first and then go into my lace, because you want to make sure you're not taking a whole clump of foundation, then you're ruining your hair. So here I'm just taking my spray and I'm taking away, well, not taking away, but pulling back the baby hairs, because you know it came with pre-baby hairs, and this what helps. And then here I am just placing on the lace now that my glue is pretty much clear. I like to wait till my glue turns clear. If you're using any white glue, make sure you're waiting until it turns like transparent. As soon as I started laying down this lace, y'all, I was just so at all on how natural it looks. Like, it looks so damn good. And I didn't even bleach the knots. Like I showed y'all, I did apply some foundation and it looks so damn good. That's the only thing I did. Here, right now I am cutting the extra lace. You want to make sure that your ears can breathe and that it is comfortable ear to ear. So I'm cutting off that extra lace right there. Make sure you do this with all of your wigs. Make sure it fits for your head. So yeah, y'all, the lace is so damn good. This is HD lace, which is the best quality of lace. It makes your it just makes it looks more natural, you know. So here I'm just cutting the little edges here on both sides, and I'm going to start cutting a little of the baby hairs too. But this right here I'm using here is argan oil. I'll have it right here on the screen so you guys can know exactly of the brand I'm using. And here I am now just cutting the baby hairs that it came with. I'm cutting the hair shorter because y'all know it's too long. So you just want to make sure that you cut that. And let me tell y'all, I could not find my damn comb, my hot comb. So I had to use my damn curling irons to just kind of like lay my front down. So this is what I will be using in the video, but y'all, we gonna make it work because I laid this hair, okay? I'm gonna show y'all how good this hair end up looking. But look at this damn lace. You can't tell me that's lace. Like, what lace, okay? Because what? It looks so freaking good. So I decided to do a middle part with this unit. You can do a side part. You have enough lace room for that. So you can do a side part if you wanted to, a deep part. Up to you. It's very versatile as far as the space of lace that you have. So I'm just laying down my part, and I am also plucking as well. This unit did come pre-plucked, but I have to pluck my part because y'all know y'all want to make y'all wigs look natural as possible. So my parting did need plucking the most. But as far as like the edges, I didn't pluck my hairline area. I just did my part.
You'll see the difference now. If you change it,
You guys will see me put some powder and a little bit of concealer in the parting area. But right now I am going to start doing my baby hair. So you guys can just watch me while I do this part. I kind of just went with the flow. The baby hairs, the pre-baby hairs that it came with, kind of just laid down on its own. Super easy to lay down my baby hairs. And I did use some edge control to lay it down with.
nothing ever stays the same. Won't you let it change? Hey, let it burn, let it burn. Hey, let it burn, let it burn. Hey, let it burn, let it burn. Hey, let it burn, let it burn.
So this Tresemme spray is what I usually use to hold my curls in place and even lay my lace down with, glue my lace down with. But I just put a little bit of that on top, and then I applied the adjustable band that it came with. And y'all, this adjustable band works. It lays down your hair, okay? It lays it down flat, and I should have been using it. This is actually my first time using these. I always get them in my box but never use it, so I'm glad that I used it for this hair, y'all, because it definitely made sure it melted my lace. But the lace is already melted, but it definitely laid it down even better, if that makes sense. You guys can just watch while I style this unit really quick. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit, and y'all, once I'm done, y'all just have to stay tuned for the ending result, because this hair is so pretty, so bomb. After I'm done styling, we're going to talk about the hair. So you guys can just watch this process.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait. Hey, let it burn, let it burn. Hey, let it burn, let it burn. Hey, let it burn, let it burn. Hey, let it burn, let it burn.
Like, what? Okay, so let me just talk real quick, because I know I haven't been talking throughout this whole video, but I have to talk about this hair. Like, I have to talk for real, because I know this video is a voiceover, but I have to really talk to y'all, because this hair, So damn pretty. These knots are not even bleached. These knots are not bleached. I just put some freaking foundation in it, and I'm not joking. I give real honest reviews on my channel with hair or with anything. This lace looks so goddamn real. I believe this is HD lace. I don't know. I believe so. HD lace is always good quality, period. But the fact that I didn't even bleach the knots and I just put some foundation in this bitch, like, I just put foundation in it and it looks this damn good. Like, it's melted, and a little bit of powder in my my part. Like, this looks so damn good. Do you hear me? So damn good. Look at this. And this hair did come with its natural shine too as well. So I didn't really have to do much with making this hair quality look amazing. Like, it's so soft. It feels, the hair texture quality is everything. It does amazing with curls. As you can see, this is a body wave texture, and I recommend getting body wave hair if you want to curl your hair a little bit more often, or you want your curls to stay. I always recommend getting a body wave texture because your curls last longer. But look how bouncy this hair is. And I believe I got an 18 inch or 20 inch. 18 inch, I believe. I haven't done this inch in a while, and I love it. It's like the perfect length, y'all. Like, I know sometimes we always want like a hair that's all the way down our ass crack, you know, like that long. It's beautiful, but having a length like this is easier to maintain. Your curls last longer, and it's more of an everyday look, you know what I mean? And it's so pretty. So I love it. It looks like this hair is already dyed. I believe this hair looks black. I'm not sure if this already bleached black, dyed black, but it looks black. I normally, when you get hair, it's always that natural brown black hair, you know, like it's that natural brown hair. But this looked like it was dyed black, like, and that's probably another reason why I love it so much, because I love me black hair. It just looks so good on the skin. I can just run my, y'all see me, I'm just constantly running my hands through it because it feels so damn good. But I love the hair. The texture is great. I'm not getting any shedding, and I've been running my hands through it, child. I ain't got no shedding, except for, of course, cutting the lace and cutting your baby hairs and plucking, which I did. That's normal. Other than that, I love this hair, y'all. It's so damn pretty. I truly recommend y'all to get this hair. Not kidding you. Yolissa always have great hair, so I'm not really surprised. But I haven't worked with them in a long time, and I'm so happy that I got this hair, and I'm doing this review for y'all because it's so pretty. That's my review on the hair. I hope y'all enjoyed this hair review. And yeah, y'all, if y'all have some questions, you know, down below that I didn't say in the video, please let me know down below. I'll get back to you, baby dolls. And yeah, y'all, this is the hair. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you, baby dolls, in my next video. Mwah.